Insomnia, solution number 2. So what you want to do is you want to get into like what we call in like martial arts, like a horse stance, right? So it's more wider than your shoulders, and you want to bend down a little. Now, if you can't stand up like this, you want to grab a chair. Maybe grab a chair like this to hold so that you can bend down. The key is you want to basically massage or cup the inner thighs. Now this is for insomnia. Like you can fall asleep, but you keep on waking up. So you keep on waking up. You can't stay asleep. You can fall asleep, but you keep on waking up. Now there's different organs that control different parts of your sleep. Yes, the adrenal glands are one of them. The adrenal glands are actually one of them that wakes you up. So the adrenal glands, the kidneys, and the liver. This exercise will address those 3 organs, and you're stimulating the nerves that are in your inner thighs. So they connect to your liver, your kidneys, and your adrenal glands. By stimulating them, they will help those organs function better, and therefore, when you fall asleep, you'll actually stay asleep. So you're gonna stand again, light stance, okay? And you're just gonna cup the inner thighs into your knee. You're gonna do this for 30 seconds, right? You can do it harder, okay? Don't hurt yourself, but you're gonna do this for 30 seconds, right? 30 minutes before you go to bed. You can do this throughout the day also, but 30 seconds, 30 minutes before you go to bed. Do this every single day, and before you go to sleep, again, for 30 seconds, 30 minutes before you go to bed. Give this a try, let me know how it works. Make sure you hit the plus sign to follow me here for more of these awesome solutions.